Ladies and gentlemen, Gala Games investors, there's fire on the mountain. Your two founders are suing each other. That means this is trouble. There's trouble with the business. The whole community is in turmoil. Like everyone is asking, what is the future of Gala Games? Is this the right time to keep accumulating? Do we have to buy the dip so that when the price moves to the upside, it's gonna make amazing profit? Is that what you guys should be doing at this point in time as the co-founders sue each other? But why are they suing each other? What is going on with the ecosystem? Is this gonna mean that the project is dead forever? Of course, that's what I want us to discuss on today's video. I want us to break down what is going on with the Gala project, why the founders are suing themselves, and what we should expect, to happen after the lawsuit. Are you guys gonna make lots of money, or maybe lose a lot of money? Well, as I mentioned, we're gonna find out in this video. So if say you are new here, this is the Betong crypto. Yeah, I create content that will help you make better decisions when you invest in cryptocurrency. I'm all about helping you make good decisions that will help you, be profitable when you invest in different crypto assets out there. And Bitcoin is my sole focus. My strategy is to help people understand how they can use other altcoins to accumulate more Bitcoin. Imagine that you had all your assets in Gala Games and suddenly, boom, this happened. That would have caused the price of your asset to go downward. And I know most of you are holding Gala Games. You are in love, like you love it, like this is your killer project. Of course, guys, I'm not here to tell you that that game is bad. I'm just here to make you to understand what you should be doing in the future, like the months ahead or the days to come. So if say my content interests you, you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button. It's free. It won't cost you anything. When you do, help this channel reach out to more people. I will said that, guys. Let's dive right away to see what is going on with this ecosystem. I'm gonna put the Twitter, I think the Twitter handle here, of this guy. His name is, let's see, Evan Lutra. Ed. So he has something to say here when it comes to the lawsuit. He says Gala Games is one of the largest ecosystem in the Web3 industry. Of course, he's right. This is one of the biggest, and now the founders are suing each other over 130 million crypto theft. So this is a criminal case. A judge have to decide what will happen with this project. And I know investors are going to look forward towards that. But doesn't mean that I should look forward towards that you cannot make money from this project. Of course, you can make money from this project. And what I want to share with you going on the chat, because the chat is my friend, is what I look at to decide what I want to do between short term or long term. And looking at what we are seeing here, lawsuit, guys, this is a long time, like long way to go. Yeah, it's a long process for us to before we can get to the bottom of what is actually going on, because in the end we'll not see the result of the case, and the result of the case determine the future of the project. So the asset man, like, okay, these are the six stuff, or the 6 point, or the six reason why they are fighting with each other. It says here that misallocation, unethical loans, competition, and is it okay? No, competitive conflict, power manipulation, physical irresponsibility, and opaque practices. So it says that this Shinemeya reportedly siphoned 600 million from Gala Games for personal use. I think most of you already like you have already watched this, so I'm not gonna. You have already seen this. I think most of you have seen this tweet here. And if say you want to get more of the tweet, you can just go through yourself. I'm not gonna go through this tweet, but I just want you to guys to understand the reason why they are fighting with each other, or they are in court fighting with each other. And this tells a lot, or this reflects the price of Gala. I love to see on what price does, long term, short term, and this is the weekly time frame for Gala. Each candle you see here represent 1 week. And ever since 2021, we saw the price of Gala plunging to the downside. And you can see here that back then in 2023, like this year, I was on Monday, January 2nd. We saw price like for the next like for the next 2 weeks, like back then, that like for 2 weeks, price moved to the upside. You can see this green vector candle here. You can see that market makers push the price to the upside, and they had to do this to take out some liquidity which was in this area here. And ever since that moment, we have seen price moving downward. If say I draw this moving average here, sorry, this trend line here, you can see here that price is in a downward trend, right? And for us to actually say we are back in business with Gala, then we have to say Gala games start making higher highs, right, on the higher time frame, and also yeah, on the higher time frame, because you can see here on this is a the weekly time frame. But if say I go to the hourly time frame, it's gonna be the same thing. In sorry, the daily time frame is gonna be the same thing, but this time around is even more clearer for us to see. And you can see here where price is on the daily time frame. You can see price is like right far away on the moving average, on the 50-day moving average, and price have to go back to kiss like kiss the moving average. If price always kiss the moving average, I always love to say this, kiss it, then before it can get back to make lower lows. But as of now, I think we're gonna see some sort of reversal, because there's a lot of liquidity in this area here, that price have to come back to retest this moving average. Yeah, this is a 50-day moving average. I think price have to come there and touch it or kiss it. If possible, price will touch the this is a 200-day moving average, 200-day moving average. And once that happened, then we can now like wait and see what price will do, long term again, or the days to come after it touched or kissed those moving averages. But for now, the next target is gonna be this 50-day moving average. So if say you are an investor of this project, then I will tell you that get out for long. Like if say you are here long term, sell your back. You can buy other coins that are stable right now, like Solana, XRP. I know you might think that Solana is gonna down because of what is going on with FTX, but no, that's not the case. I think Solana have more upside to recover, because Solana have gone through one of the greatest crises in that any crypto project can go through or will go through. Solana went through the FTX saga, and now they are out of it. I think they are out of it somehow. Even though we are expecting like like FTX to liquidate about over 1 billion like Solana, but that's not gonna cause anything like serious long term. I think long term we're gonna see a recovery with Solana. So if say you want to buy any other project, good. But if to stay with Gala, I think long term is not a good thing for you. But short term, if you want to trade this, then good. Yeah, this is what you're gonna do. Wait for price to come, as I mentioned, towards this moving average. And if say price break this moving average, then wait for price to to test this 200 moving average. And if say price is not able to break it, then you know that we're gonna make lower lows. But and if say price come back down here and it's not able to make lower lows, then we can say, okay, we have found the bottom in this lawsuit. So maybe we're gonna see price move like this, for a long time before, like it will consolidate for a long time before we see an upward trend. But guys, this is a long way to go. I don't think you guys want to wait here. Like you want to stay, on this project waiting for the lawsuit or price to get towards where it should be. I don't think we're gonna see a all-time high for Gala, because of this lawsuit. If say I, bring this like closer, zoom this in, you can see that price has been doing exactly what I mentioned. I told you guys, you saw this huge dip here, and we saw the reversal from the 200-day moving average. This white, this moving average here, this white moving average here is the 200-day moving average. And if say you see price reject that moving average, it means price is gonna come down back to retest this zone, and we see that, or you can see that price has broken this zone and has made lower lows there. Let me try to do this with moving out with trend line, so you can see what I'm saying. Price has broken this area here, this trend line here, and now we're gonna see price try to retest that area where it break, right? So I think maybe price is gonna break to the upside, then start moving sideways before breaking this moving average, sorry, this trend line to the upside, or maybe price will consolidate, then we see another lower low. So I think, guys, when we look at the macro level, like the bigger picture for Gala, I don't think, as I mentioned, you should be buying Gala like holding in your bag that this is my long-term project. There are many other projects, but to trade it, good and fine. You can, if say I go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see here that it's the same thing. Like price is playing around this moving average, this 200 day moving average on the 1 hour time frame. So guys, I think, yeah, that's it. There's not much to say. If see you wanna like get updates about what is going on with Gala, I'm gonna try to look at the price of Gala each time I go live. So make sure you subscribe to my platform. Make sure you are part of my group also. The links are found below this video. And if say you want someone to help you one-on-one in crypto, helping you to um like build a sustainable portfolio with crypto, then I can help you with that enormously. In this market, if you don't understand how to read the charts, don't understand fundamental analysis, it would be difficult for you to actually decide what to do when you see a situation like this. And most of you are in love because you follow a YouTuber who will tell you, oh, Gala is the future, Gala is this. Now, guys, it might be the future, but now we're not in the future. We are like now, currently, what is going on in the market, you have to pay attention to it. And this Gala or not, the safest bet for anyone out there who is investing in crypto long term is Bitcoin. I don't see any reason why you're not in Bitcoin and you're in Gala, right? And Bitcoin, there's not going to be a day that you're going to hear that maybe the CEO of Bitcoin is suing another CEO of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the only asset that has no CEO, no one controlling it. It runs on its own, and like no one can say I own Bitcoin. So that's mindset of like, okay, this is the owner of this project, and if say they do this, I will do that, it will cause the price of the project to move to the downside. So that's what you should be like. You should understand and make sure you protect yourself long term, short term. Guys, I have dry leaves. I can see my leaves is cracking here, but yeah, that's it for today. And make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. But don't forget to use the links below this video to be part of my community. And I'm going to be doing live videos every day at the same time. So make sure you are subscribed. Bye bye.